I wanted to hop in here really quick and give you a tip on some raised container gardening. We have a friend of our family that is a farmer, and he gets these containers that has, I think it's molasses in it that he feeds his cattle or he gives to his cattle. Well, then he has all these containers left over, and I was looking for some containers to do some potato plants in. And I contacted him and he said, sure, he had several he brought me. So he brought those to me, and I've pre-drilled some holes in the bottom of them. But the problem is they're a little deep and wide, and I hate to buy dirt. I just hate spending money on dirt. Although you have to have good quality soil to plant your plants in. So these pots are so deep, I thought it'd be nice to have something to fill them with and not have to use as much dirt, or not fill them with, but put in the bottom of them and not have to put as much soil in them. I didn't have any gravel or landscaping rocks or anything around to fill in the bottom for drainage. So I had another idea, and I wanted to show you. What I've done is I've taken empty water containers, milk containers, and that's even a flower pot that was cracked. Any kind of empty containers or wood you can place in the bottom, and that's going to fill up about 1/4 to 1/3 of that container and save quite a bit on the soil. This way, when I fill it up, I'm saving a little money by not putting soil down there, because the roots of what I'm going to be putting in these pots is not going to get down in that part of the pot anyhow. I just wanted to hop on here and give you that quick money saving tip. I hope you find this information helpful, and if you like my channel, please subscribe and hit that like button below. This has been Gardening with Tracy. Thanks for watching.